Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Python packages for use within Stata. There are many Python packages available freely across the web, and you can download and install them very easily. And then they allow you to do things like machine learning or artificial intelligence or many other things. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type Python search just to make sure that Python is installed in my user environment here. So notice it says Python environments found, and I can see the path right here. So I do have Python installed on this machine. So the next thing that I need to do is go to a command window. So I'm going to type shell in the command window here. So I'm going to type shell. This will open a command window. I'm using Windows, so it's a Windows command window. But if you're using a Mac or Linux, it will open a similar window. The next thing I'm going to do is type pip or pip install. And I'd like to install a package called Pandas. Pandas is a popular package for handling data. And so I'm going to install that by typing, again, pip or pip, it's often called, pip install pandas, P-A-N-D-A-S. And when I press enter, pip is going to go out onto the web, gather the packages from the web, download them locally to my machine, and then set them up for use with my installation of Python. This is going to take just a moment, so I may speed this up with the magic of video editing. Okay, so now it's been installed. I can see my C prompt and a blinking cursor again. So I'm going to close the window here and go back to Stata, and now I can verify that it was installed by typing python which pandas, P-A-N-D-A-S. And this will take a moment, and Stata will go out and make sure, verify that that particular package has been installed. And there it is. So where it's installed isn't important, but the fact that it has been installed is important. I'll come back in later videos and show you some fun things that you can do from Pandas in Python from within Stata, but we'll save that for another day. So that's how you can download and install packages for Python within Stata. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.